Hi everyone, Nicki Traikos here of Li-Fi Design. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a brand new book coming out that is traditionally published through Quarto Books or Quarry imprint. It is a watercolor technique advice project book that I have poured my heart and soul into, and we are getting close. We are just under 3 months away from having it hit bookstores worldwide, and it is an exciting moment, a little nerve-wracking, if you will, but a really great time to start making plans for the launch, making plans for opportunities for me to meet with you virtually and in person. And I just wanted to share a little bit about what you can expect. So if you have pre-ordered the book, thank you so much. This is not the actual book. I haven't seen the book in print yet. This is just a mock-up that my publisher sent to me as a way to really lean into the fact that it's coming soon and to use as a prop, if you will. So Watercolor Made Simple is being shipped, I believe, at this point. I should get a sneak peek copy next month, which is crazy. And it is, again, going to be on shelves November 7th. So if you have pre-ordered the book, thank you so much. I know it has been a long wait. I'm excited for you to get it in your hands and to use it as a tool to help you paint more and explore your watercolor technique and process. I have some really fun painting projects for you to try, some paper projects, again, and it's just sprinkled with a little bit of my personal philosophy around making art and using watercolors in your art practice. So if you have pre-ordered the book, make sure you hop over to lifidesign.com and register your pre-order with me. You will get a signed book plate from my publisher that I've just finished signing and sent back to them. And we have limited numbers. So I think we have maybe 500 that I signed. It was a lot. And that's it. So if you would like one of those mailed to you for free, my publisher will be sending that out, but you have to register with us so we know that you have in fact pre-ordered. And as well, for pre-ordering, I have a few bonuses that I have arranged for you. They are all on lifidesign.com. Again, you just have to put in your pre-order information and you'll get access to that private page where you can find a tutorial, a printable, and also an invite from me for you to join me in a live painting session. So the book comes out November 7th. On November 7th, to celebrate, I am hosting a live painting event online that is available only to those of you who have pre-ordered. It's my way of saying thank you. Thank you for waiting. So pre-orders are really important. I'm learning as we go. My publisher looks at pre-orders to determine how many copies to order, how many copies to send to bookstores. So they are in fact a really important process of a new book when it is released. So I just wanted to create an opportunity for us to paint together and spend some time together. All the information will be made available to you, but I have to know that you pre-order the book, so make sure that you enter that information into the website. Also on November 10th, I will have a live event open to the public to celebrate the book. That will also be virtual. It'll be an opportunity to get a sneak peek at the book, for you to ask questions. I'll share a little bit about my process for the book, and it's just a way for me to be able to virtually celebrate with you. So hopefully you'll be able to attend that. Again, all information will be on the website. If you haven't subscribed to my newsletter, make sure you do so I can share that information with you. Lastly, I will be in person at my local chapter's Indigo on November the 11th. So I can maybe we'll read a little bit from the book, talk about watercolor and art practice in general. I'm happy to sign copies as well at that event, and it's just an opportunity to meet in person. I'll have some fun things planned for that as well. So if you are in the local Greater Toronto area, I would love for you to come out and meet me in person and celebrate the book project, which has been a wonderful experience that I really dove into for the better part of a year. So hopefully, we'll be able to celebrate in person with that. So lastly, before I leave you, I am putting together a small team of VIPs that will help me during the book launch process. So it's a way of just sharing the book, sharing your very honest review of the book once you get it in your hand. And again, an opportunity for us to spend some time virtually live together. So if you're interested in becoming a VIP and part of my Watercolor Made Simple book launch party, then I want to know. I want you to be able to join in on the fun and spread the word with me and share a review, an honest review of what you thought of the book when it comes out. And then as a thank you, I have something special planned. So again, if you're interested in being a part of that VIP experience, I want you to go ahead to lifeidesign.com. We'll have everything there that you'll be able to find it quite easily, and I'll put the link as well in the description. So you can be a part of my inner circle and help me really spread the word about the book and celebrate watercolors, and hopefully inspire others to give watercolor a try and to paint along with me. So that's it, just a few key dates for the upcoming release of Watercolor Made Simple book. Hopefully you'll join my little VIP team and be able to enjoy a little bit of the bonuses and perks. And thank you for pre-ordering. Again, I know it's a long time to wait before the book comes out, but it is coming quick. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.